Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 10 best Bloody Mary mix that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the McClure's Bloody Mary Mixer. As well as the essential tomato, McClure's Bloody Mary Mixer, 32 fluid ounces, contains peppers, pickle brine, garlic, and dill to give a tangy and bold mix. As this does not contain more traditional ingredients, such as Worcestershire sauce or horseradish, it does offer a twist to a regular Bloody Mary, although you may find the pickle juice flavor dominates your drink. This is gluten-free, kosher certified, and made with all natural products. You will just need to add alcohol or serve as is. Moving on at number 9, we have the Zing Bloody Mary Mix. The Zing Bloody Mary Mix, 32 ounces, is ready to serve with vodka or beer. Like most mixes, you can find this salty as it does contain around 20% of your daily value of sodium in one serving. It also contains soy and some preservatives and is suitable to store at room temperature. It's taken me a while to try my own recipe for making a good spicy Bloody Mary with a kick. It shouldn't just be about dumping a bunch of Tabasco or Tapatio in your drink, as that can just mean more spice and not flavor. At number 8, we have the V8 Bloody Mary Mix. Made with pure tomato juice, vinegar, pepper, salt, celery extract, and onion extract, the V8 Bloody Mary Mix, 46 fluid ounces, has at least one full serving of vegetables and contains vitamin A and vitamin C. This mix is ideal as a standalone drink, and each serving contains 40 calories. This juice does not contain all of the typical ingredients for a Bloody Mary mix, so you may want to add Tabasco sauce or other ingredients, although a number of drinkers have commented that it is spicy. At number 7, we have the Demitri's Extra Horseradish Bloody Mary Seasoning Mix. Containing extra horseradish, Demitri's Bloody Mary Seasoning 16 fluid ounces just needs the addition of tomato juice and alcohol. This is a spicy mix that is also suitable for use as a marinade. Like most Bloody Mary mixes or seasoning, this is high in sodium, so you may choose to mix with a lower sodium tomato juice to reduce your salt intake. You only need to add a few drops to the mix. A little goes a long way. I have been told time and time again how incredible the flavor is. My favorite is the extra horseradish. There are lots of little pieces of horseradish floating in the mix. At number 6, we have the Bloody Revolution Original Gourmet Bloody Mary Mix, a traditional Bloody Mary mix containing Worcestershire sauce, tomato, vegetable juice concentrate, pepper, horseradish, celery salt, garlic, and onion. The Bloody Revolution Original Gourmet Bloody Mary Mix, 32 fluid ounces, is also ideal for using as a marinade. This thick and spicy mix can be drunk as it is, or added to alcohol. If you were expecting habanero hot, as some reviewers apparently, you'll be disappointed. Likewise, if you were expecting tomato juice. Just the right balance of warmth for a traditional Bloody Mary, with an interesting complexity. Speaking of traditional, the flavor is somewhat unexpected, with a mild smokiness to it. Think strip of bacon garnish. So, if you were also expecting your bartender's Bloody Mary, not it. At number 5, we have the Charleston Bloody Mary Mix. Bold and spicy, using a proprietary blend of habanero mash, Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar and spices. The Charleston Bloody Mary Mix, bold and spicy, 32 ounces, pack of 2, does not contain horseradish. This bold-flavored award-winning mix is free from high fructose corn syrup and MSG and is suitable for gluten-free diets. This mix does contain beef broth and anchovies, so may not be suitable for all diets. This mix has a great consistency, it's not too thick or thin, with having the perfect spice to it. At number 4, we have the Master of Mixes 5-Pepper Bloody Mary Mix. The Master of Mixes 5-Pepper Bloody Mary Mix 33.8 fluid ounces, pack of 3, contains a blend of jalapeno, de árbol chili, habanero, chipotle, and ancho chili peppers, along with vine-ripened tomato juice and lemon juice. This is a ready-to-drink mix, just needs alcohol adding. This mix is gluten-free and dairy-free, and although some drinkers have commented that this mix is hot and spicy, it can lack other flavors. Like most mixes, this is high sodium, with one serving giving 30% of your sodium percent daily value. At number 3, we have the Fast Mary's Bloody Mary Enhancer. The Fast Mary's Bloody Mary Enhancer Mild Bangin' Blend also includes a predominant dill flavor. As well as adding to tomato juice and using in drinks, this enhancer can be used as a marinade or for barbecue. This is naturally vegan, does not contain any MSG, and is also gluten-free. This is also shelf-stable and stays fresh for up to 3 years, although refrigeration is recommended once opened. At number 2, we have the Mr. and Mrs. T Original Bloody Mary Mix. The Mr. and Mrs. T Original Bloody Mary Mix 5.5 fluid ounces, pack of 24, just needs alcohol adding. Or some prefer to add extras such as Worcestershire sauce and celery salt. These are smaller cans, so may use more if making pitchers or if traveling. There can also be a risk of the cans arriving damaged or leaking. I bought Mr. and Mrs. T Original Bloody Mary Mix on a whim, and now everyone thinks I'm some kind of brunch wizard. I poured this into a pitcher, threw in a celery stick, and suddenly my friends are begging me for my secret recipe. And finally, at number 1, we have the Ocean Spray Bloody Mary Mix. The Ocean Spray Bloody Mary Mix 32 fluid ounces, pack of 12, includes tomato juice from concentrate, cranberry and grapefruit juices, as well as Worcestershire sauce, horseradish, and spices. This can be drunk as it is or with alcohol, although the mix actually recommends you add extra ingredients for a Bloody Mary. This is a spicy and thick mix. Although some may find it a little too thick for mixing, this mix comes in a patented bar pack bottle with a spout, ideal for home bars. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.